Hey guys! Thanks for watching Pinka's Beach. So today I'm making potato fries, everyone's favorite. So let's get started. Have a look. So I'm gonna first cut these potatoes. So I'm gonna cut a little bit off the edge. And now and I'm gonna put these in cold water. Cut the rest. Oh, these are gonna be long potato fries. And put them in water. Okay, and I'm gonna keep it in this cold water for around 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna start boiling the potatoes. Okay, I have boiling water here and I'm gonna put the potatoes in. And I'm gonna put salt. Okay, and I'm gonna leave them in for 3 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are ready. Okay, they're ready. I'm gonna get rid of some of the water so they dry up. Okay. And now I'm gonna put them in this bag. Okay, the potatoes are in and I'm gonna put cornstarch inside. Hold the top and shake. Mix together. I think they're ready. So I'm gonna take them out. Okay, so now I'm gonna start frying these potatoes. I have olive oil here. Ooh. Looking good. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. I'm gonna take them out. Looking good. But they're not ready yet. Okay, let's start another batch. Okay, and now I'm gonna fry these again for the second time. leave them in for around 2 minutes. Okay, these are ready. Have a look. Looking delicious. Okay, let's put some salt on. Ooh, looking good. Okay, so these ones are ready, so I'm gonna put them on the plate. Yum. And I think these are ready, so put some salt on. Okay, let's put them on the plate. Okay, these are ready. Have a look. Looks delicious. So I made a cheese fondue sauce that goes very well with fries. So if you want to know how to make it, just check out the link in the description section. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Arigato!